Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas Sanjanbal. Today we will discuss a new type of construction of DFA. Okay. Okay. The next question. Construct the DFA. Construct a DFA that accepts all strings of edge and page where length of where length of each string length of each string is exactly 3. Okay, where length of each string is exactly 3 over the input alphabet. Here over the input alphabet A comma B. Okay, that accepts all strings of A's and B's where length of each string is exactly 3. Length of each string is exactly 3 over the input alphabet A comma B. Means, for example, we can take any combination of A's and B's, but the length of each string must be 3. Suppose AAA, yes, the length of string is 3, so it is a valid string. BBB, yes, it is a valid string because the length of the string is 3. Suppose ABA, yes, it is a valid string because the length of the string is 3. Suppose BBA, yes, it is a valid string because the length of the string is 3. Suppose AB, it is not valid because the length is 4. Suppose AB, the length is 4, so it is not a valid string. Suppose AA, the length, it is an invalid string because the length is 6. Okay, so these are called as the valid strings. So how to construct? Here where the length of each string is exactly 3. Here how to construct? Length of exactly 3. This is the Q1. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. Okay. The length of each string is exactly, means we can take here A comma B. Okay. Here also can take A comma B. Here also we can take A comma B. Okay. We can take any combination. Suppose for example AAA. For example AAA. A, here A, this A, and this A. Okay. Exactly 3. Suppose okay, Q0, Q1, listen, first we'll construct the DFA. Okay, Q0, Q1 and Q2 already reads A and B, then Q3 will read, What is the question? What is the DFA? What is the question? The question is each string, length of each string is exactly 3. Means if more than 3, if it is greater than 3, if it is greater than 3, so it is called invalid. If it is greater than, means it is invalid. So this one is exactly 3. It is first one, second one, and third one. If it is greater than 3, then it will go to dead state. If it is greater than 3, then go to dead state, QD. Okay, hope all of you understand this question. Okay, the next question. The next question. Number of edges exactly 3 over number of edges exactly 3 over the input alphabet A comma B. Okay, number of edges is exactly 3. What is the meaning? Suppose B, first order B triple A B. Yes, this is a value stream because the number of edges is exactly 3. Suppose triple A, yes, it is a value string because number of edges is exactly 3. Suppose A B, yes, it is a value string because number of edges is exactly 3 in the given string. Suppose A B, it is an invalid string because the number of edges is 2. Suppose B A B A B A A, it is an invalid string. It is an invalid string because the number of edges are 4. The number of edges are 4. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3. Okay. The number of edges is exactly 3. Number of edges is exactly 3. Okay. If it is more than, means greater than 3, if it is greater than 3, then go to dead state. Okay, means we can take any number of bits. Means suppose B B B B, like A B B B B A B B B B A. Here this is a value string because the number of edges is exactly 3 in the given string, so it is a value string. So we can take any number of bits. In any state. Okay, so B is a self loop on all states. Okay, the number of edges is exactly 3. Hope all of you understand. Okay. See here, what is the meaning? When we talk about the exactly, how many number of states? When exactly 3, number of edges is exactly 3. 3 means here how many states? 5 states. In the upper case, the number of edge and beads, where the length of each string is exactly 3. Here is also 5 states. So, okay, one note point. If the DFA accepts exactly n length string, then it requires n plus 2 number of states. N plus 2 number of states. Okay. It requires n plus 2 number of states. Suppose, for example, number of A's or number of B's is exactly 5. Suppose, for example, number of B's is exactly 5. So how many number of states will be required? Total number of states equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7 number of states will be required. Hope all of you understand. Okay. Then we will go to the next question. Next question. Construct the DFA. Construct the DFA that accepts all strings of A's and B's where length of each string is at least 3, where length of each string is at least 3. At least 3 means, suppose A, B, A. It is a valid string because it is at least 3. Suppose A, B, it is invalid because the length is 2. A, B, A, B, it is a valid because the length is greater than 3. At least 3 means every length must be greater than 3. For exactly in the sense, exactly means it is equal 3. Exactly means it is equal 3. Okay. At least 3 means the length of the string must be greater than 3. Suppose A, B, A, it is a valid because the length is greater than 3. The length of the string is greater than 3. Suppose A, it is invalid because the length is less than 3. Suppose A, B, A, S, it is a valid string. Suppose A, B, B, S, it is a valid string because the length is greater or equal 3. Greater or equal 3. Now we'll construct. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. Okay. A comma B. A comma B. A comma B. It is the condition for equal number of minimum condition. It satisfies the minimum condition. Means we can take any number of A's and B's. Okay. Then it must be greater than. It must be greater than 3. Greater than 3 means here is a self loop of A and B. Means it can take any number of A's and B's. It must be greater or equal 3. Okay. The next question. Number of A's at least 3 over the input alphabet A comma B. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA at least 3. Number of A's at least 3 means suppose triple A. Yes, it is a valid string because the number of A's is at least 3. A, B, B. The number of A's is 2. So it is an invalid string because the number of A's must or greater or equal to 3. Means A's always greater or equal 3. Suppose triple 4 B A 4 is B. It is a valid because the number of edge at least or greater or equal to 3. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. Okay. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. Is my final state. Okay. The number of edges. First we'll construct the equal. Equal means number of edges equal to 3. Here A, here A, here A. This is for equal 3. Then we'll construct greater than 3. Means this one. Okay. But we can take any number of beats. Okay. So B is a self loop on all states. Okay. Here see here. At least means at least 3. Here at least 3 means how many number of states? 4 number of states will be required. Here in the upper case is also at least 3 means total 4 number of states will be required. Okay. Take the note point. Note is here. If the DFA accepts at least n length string, it requires n plus 1 number of states. It requires n plus 1 number of states. For example, here at least 3 means 3 plus means length of the string. In the length of the string, the number of edges is at least 3. At least 3 means 3 plus 1 means 4 number of states. Suppose number of beats is at least 7. So the total number of states equal to 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Okay. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask through comment box or through mail. Okay. The next question. Construct DFA. Construct a DFA that accepts all strings of edge and beats where length of each string is at most 3. At most 3 means it must less or equal 3. At most in the sense less or equal 3. Means suppose epsilon s, it is a valid string because the length of the string is 0. Suppose AB s, it is valid because the length of the string is 2, means less or equal to 3. ABA s, it is a valid string because the length of the string is equal to 3 or less or equal to 3. AB, it is an invalid string because the length is greater than 3. Suppose BA s, it is a valid string because the length of the string is less or equal 3. Okay. Suppose AB, ABA or AA like this, it is an invalid string because the length is greater than 3. Okay. Now we'll construct the DFA. Okay. First thing, suppose A, it is a valid string. Okay, how to construct? This is Q0. Here, each state is a final state. This is Q1 is a final state. This is Q2 is a final state. This is Q3 is a final state. Okay. For now, we'll consider for the zero length string. Means at most three. At most three means first zero length string. Suppose zero length string accepted. One length string is accepted. Two length string is accepted. Three length string is accepted. Greater than three length string means suppose greater than three length string, or we can say like four length string, for example. Greater than three means it may be four, maybe five, etc. So all are invalid. Okay, means first condition is the zero length string. Yes, this one is the zero length string. This one is called zero length string. Okay, next one is the a one length string. Next one is the one length string. One length string. One length string is also accepted, means a comma b. Okay, next one is called two length string. Two length string means here a comma b, means any combination of zero length string. It is one combination. It is the combination of one length string. It is the combination of two length string. Then next one is the three length string. It is the combination of a comma b. It is the combination of three length string. Okay, if more or if greater than three, that means if greater than three, that will be going to dead state. That will be going to dead state. Okay, hope all of you understand. Okay, the next question. Next question. Number of edges is at most 3 over the input alphabet a comma b. Over the input alphabet a comma b. Okay, so number of edge at most 3. Number of edge means number of edge always may be 0. The number of edge may be 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, but not greater than 3. But not greater than 3. Suppose A S, it is a value string. Double A S, it is a value string. B A B S, it is a value string. B A B A B S, it is a value string. Triple A B S, it is a value string, because the number of edges is less or equal to 3. Here the number of edges less or equal to 3. Here number of edges less or equal to 3. Here number of edges less or equal to 3. Here number of edges less or equal to 3. Suppose B B B B A, this is invalid string, because valid string, because number of edges, it is a valid string, because number of edges less or equal 3. Suppose 4 edge, it is an invalid string, because number of edges greater than 3. So now we'll construct for 0. 0 means it is zero length string, means it is called epsilon. Yes, epsilon is a value string. Okay, then for single A, A means Q1. Then for 2, this is Q2. Then for 3, Q3. then for 3, Q3. Okay. If it is greater than 3, that means go to dead state. If it is greater than 3, that means dead state. A comma B. Okay. But any number of B's may come. But any number of B's may become. For example, B, 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 like this. B, 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 like this. Okay. Any number of B's may come because here it is a value string because the length of or the number of edge is less or equal to 3. Okay. So any number of B's may come on all states. Okay. Here the number of edge at most 3. At most 3 means the total number of states for the DFA equal to 5. In the upper case, in the previous case, that as a all string or length of the string of edge and beach, where length of each string is at most 3. At most 3 means 3 plus 2. The total number of states equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay. So we can take one note point. If the DFA accepts at most n length string, it requires n plus 2 number of states. Okay. That means, suppose for example, number of edge is at most 10. Then so the total number of states equal to 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Okay. Hope all of you understand. Okay. Thanks for watching.